Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Today we are here to do a fun unboxing with a new collection that's landed in the boutique called Kozan.
Welcome, lovelies. Well, here we go. It's Christmas Eve again. It's September. I have seen this line. We bought it together, right? But it was a long time ago. And so many things happened, so I completely forgot. So I cannot wait
To see what
I cannot wait.
to box and goodies.
Exact.
And you look lovely.
Thank you. Thank you. I love this color.
It is beautiful, isn't it?
It's a beautiful color. And look at
Look at the scarf. It matches it absolutely perfect.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, look, we both did. Look at all the... You know what, ladies? It's so fun to play with all these new beads. And like, we have the little minis.
Yeah.
And then this distinct line, or whatever we call
That's
it.
fun too.
Yeah. Oh, the purples. Purple's one of my favorite colors.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And this is such a fun piece.
It is from the Boris collection.
Yeah.
Lots of excitement in here.
Yeah.
Oh,
And lots of excitement about the Boris.
yes.
And a lot of you let us know that they bought it when we carried it at James Street. Yeah. And loved the pieces. And this is such an easy piece because I'm just wearing a match top from Lousje Bean,
Yeah.
a long tank, and leggings. And nice. And then you put this over top, and immediately it's interesting.
Yeah.
You know, you
Yeah.
gotta look twice
Yeah.
at the person wearing that.
And your favorite bracelet?
Yeah, my
Leo.
Oh,
It's to keep bringing back.
yes, and
You know, beautiful. So nice to see you wearing this ring. So pretty.
hey, you know,
I bet it's so pretty. Yeah. Wait till you have your wedding band. Or that is your wedding, or that's your engagement ring.
this is my engagement.
And then you did.
It's so strange. And then you get a plain wedding band.
Yeah.
It's funny because Ruby and I were talking about it, and she said, why would you spend money right away on the most expensive one? Because you never know how it's going to go. And
She's so funny.
yeah. She said, wouldn't you get the plain one first, and then on the big day you get the bling bling? I said, well, you got a point, you know. But anyway, I have asked Lucy if I could bring it out in the open. And she said, of course, Oma. So Lucy got engaged. Yes.
I didn't know you were allowed to tell the ladies.
I asked her, I said, I was so excited because a lot of you ladies have known or heard about Lucy because Lucy started this whole video with us.
Yeah, she started during the pandemic.
During the pandemic, she lived with me and she came to the store and twice or however times we needed her. She did the filming and
For 2 years.
for 2 years, but now she is in Toronto. She moved in with her longtime boyfriend Rob. I think they've been going together
Met in university.
6 years ago.
Yeah.
At Brock.
Yeah.
And they went away on a holiday in Ireland, and she sent a picture,
Yeah, we'll have to show you the picture.
and we have to show you. And it was
So excited.
so cute.
Yeah.
And they're so happy, and I couldn't think of a better guy.
Yeah, he's great.
Yeah, he's fantastic. So, but she's got a beautiful
Wedding
engagement.
Yeah,
Yeah.
engagement ring. Yes.
Yeah, and hers is too. It's bling.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah,
I love it.
I love it.
You'll see it, ladies, in the picture.
But they went to Dublin, of course, and then, I don't know if a lot of you lovely saw the Banshees of Inisherin, this movie that was filmed in Inisherin, and it was one of her, a must that she had to go to Inisherin, and she went there, and remember Jenny, the donkey that was in the film? Well, she got on the picture with Jenny. Jenny was still
Oh,
there.
really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Wasn't it? You saw it too, eh, the film?
No.
Oh my goodness. Okay, anyway, she was really happy. But we need to do things. We have
lots to unbox. We
I'm
do.
getting
we do.
excited.
I know.
Yes.
I know.
Okay.
But I just
Oh,
wanted,
yeah.
I'm wearing the skirt again, ladies.
Again.
I have to take it off.
No, you don't.
I'm sleeping in. I slept in it last night. I'm just joking. But I did put on, this is so great from this afternoon plover, but look how cool you can just put on a cozy sweater with this amazing skirt and you're all set. I just love it.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Got the little slits and The cuffs are the cat's meows, right?
So cute. I wasn't gonna put a necklace on, but I thought we have the long ones in now.
Yeah.
I thought it gives it a nice hang here.
Yeah.
And then we're out of fuchsia, so I was kind of sad, but I wanted to do the fuchsia and the chartreuse there to pick up the color.
We had fuchsia. Sold out?
Sold out. Yeah. But super cool on the anthracite, on the charcoal plate. Yeah, with
And vistos.
yeah, the dew earrings. Yeah, super cool. Okay, so beautiful collection made in Turkey. So all European fabrics. You ladies are gonna love it. And tomorrow, me and Lousje will style them up for you so you can see. But here we go.
Oh, I want some combination.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Would you call this a mustard?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And mustard.
Mustard and black.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And super cool little top. Nice, beautiful cowl. It's got a zip here, but I don't think it's just a design zip. But you can open it.
Yeah, that's right.
If you have a tank on it.
Yeah, you can allow it hang. Right.
Great high-low.
Yeah, I love the high-low. It's really nicely fitted also, right?
It's got a nice A-line hang to it and high-low. It'll be cute to
Beautiful.
show you a picture of it.
And lovely fabric.
Lovely fabric, and it comes in another print.
Ooh. And how does the sizing go?
So with Kozan, everything is extra small to extra large.
Yeah.
However, there's certain styles that we started at size small because they were fitting a bit smaller.
Yeah.
Or some pieces are extra small, medium large,
Right.
and extra large, extra large. So 3 sizes.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful.
This is a
Kaleidoscope, I believe it's called.
It is a Kali spandex.
It'll wash wonderful.
Yeah, beautiful.
And the red is a gray, like so classy. It's a great print. Great print.
Okay.
Speaking of prints, ladies, here's another print. And we just bought the one print in this shirt, but this shirt, I remember it, and it falls amazing.
Oh, and the batik. Oh, that's so lovely.
So very cool. I love that about this collection. They do a lot with textures.
Yeah.
So there's totally different fabric here on the sleeve.
Yeah.
Almost like a rib poly, which they've incorporated in the side here. So super cool.
Super cool.
And it's got a nice drop here, a little bit, up on the edge.
This is an extra small.
Extra small,
So
yeah.
it's oversized.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Did they extra small? Yeah. So extra small. So
Oh,
this is, and then
okay.
there's medium, large, extra
I
large.
see.
Because it's a generous fit.
Yeah. All this would be lovely with your skirt. No, really. No, we're securing this. I know.
Okay, ladies, here
Oh,
comes the
yeah.
kaleidoscope back, but in a mesh.
Oh, I love it. And it like a wider, like
A boxy top, but look at, it's got a really great side split here.
Oh, this is very cool.
Let's see what it is called. It is called the Deborah top.
Really?
I just bought the spring summer line for next year with Kozan, and they bring back their styles, which is really nice, but then they switch up the fabrics. So these are very classic.
That's nice.
Yeah, these are very classic silhouettes and patterns. This fits fabulous.
You know, this would be really nice over the tank tops too. If you put,
Really nice. Yeah.
and you just have your arms match,
Yeah.
but you've got a body, right?
Yeah.
Fully.
Yeah. And this is a extra small, and then same 3 sizes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Lovely. And we also got in the same Deborah top in this beautiful purple.
Oh, beautiful.
Mauve with your lovely zip.
Oh, yes, that would be gorgeous.
I guess it is both. Yeah.
Yeah.
Again, nice side split here.
Beautiful.
Beautiful mesh.
With a lot of flat coat,
Yeah, a little print to it.
printer it. Yeah. Beautiful.
And he showed me the process. It's quite interesting. They have the mesh, it's plain mesh, and then it goes through a machine, and they adhese the print on the mesh, and then the fabric is all rolled out. So they make these prints themselves.
Wow, that's different.
They print the mesh.
Yeah. Beautiful.
It goes through a machine, and then so the mesh is going on top, and underneath comes the print, and then it comes in, and then it squeezes through, and then it's fun.
They must use heat to
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
like just transfer.
Right.
So and then they cut and sew it after.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty cool. But exciting, they have beautiful mesh tops, beautiful colors, in a bit of a different fabric that we've never had before. We have our classic mesh tops, but we can't get our hands on this fabric. This
No,
beautiful European.
hard to get.
So there's a crinkle to it, and it's got nice stretch, a lot of stretch.
Love it.
Some meshes don't have a lot of stretch, and you feel like,
Yeah, you're very tightly packed in.
yeah, but this one is gorgeous. And what a color,
It stretches in the length and in the width, which is nice.
which is great. Yeah.
This is a lovely. You would want one of these in every color that we carry because it's
Beautiful.
an absolutely no-brainer.
Yeah. So we've got it in this cobalt blue.
Yeah,
Isn't that gorgeous? Striking.
yeah.
Look at that color.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Love it.
Okay.
All right, and then to go with the shirt
Oh
we
my
have
gosh,
an amazing vest.
Right.
Look at this beautiful quilted vest.
Oh, it's adorable. Oh yeah, and it has the wire in the neckline.
Wire in the
Covers
neckline.
and stuff.
Yeah.
And the black bias finishing it off.
Yes.
And the black zipper on the cute little pocket.
Which is functional. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
It's so cute.
It's adorable.
Yeah. All right, so we have another beautiful print for the lovely ladies.
so
And it
nice.
looks so good. And
This is like a crepe color.
it is great. I could wear it to Grape and Wine. Grape and Wine is coming up.
Coming up.
Oh, ladies, in St. Catharines.
And now we live right next door to the festivity.
So we're gonna be hanging out at Lousje's house,
Yeah.
listening to the music.
Have to make brunch before the parade.
Yes.
When did the
Oh, I can't wait. That's the plan. Yeah, I love it.
Beautiful.
Isn't that beautiful?
Love it.
I know.
Love it. Just a cute little and more
Cute like this skirt too. Or the ponte pants you had on yesterday.
Yeah.
That would be really nice.
Yeah.
All right, ladies, and one last piece.
The duster.
The dust, yeah, so cardigan.
Cardigan.
Call
Long
it the
cardigan.
Molly cardigan.
Beautiful.
And they have a stripe here with the polka dot.
Oh, I love that
Straight fabulous. Yeah. An inset. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
So it swings around you when you walk on the steps, you know?
Yeah, it's really nice fitting. It's really cozy, and I think it'll look great. Look great over the tank dress even, because there's a lot of coverage too.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
So that is it. That is our first shipment from Kozan.
And we're going to start.
We're going to style it up tomorrow, so watch out for that. And we hope you enjoyed the news about Lousje. We're so excited. We got another wedding, 2 weddings in the future. Imagine they did a joint wedding.
Yeah. Wouldn't that be unique?
That would be my grandmother and granddaughter.
Oh my goodness.
Oma and granddaughter.
Oh, that would be really unique.
All right, ladies, please hit a thumbs up to the video to help us out, and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get notifications when we have our new videos out. And as always,
Keep us smiling.